Have you ever heard someone say you need long fingers to play guitar? Or if you are not bleeding, you are not trying hard enough. Excuse me? Today, I am busting some of the weirdest, funniest, and flat out silliest guitar myths floating around the internet. Let's clear the air and get you back to actually enjoying guitar, not stressing over these made up rules. Myth number 1. You need long fingers to play guitar. Oh, so only people with alien hands are allowed to play now? Nope. Your hands are just fine. Your fingers are fine. What matters is technique, angle, and practice. If you can press down on a string and move your hand, you are good to go. Don't let your pinky size hold you back. And mini myth drop. The pinky is optional. Like it's just along for the ride. No way. Your pinky is a power player. Get it in the game. Myth number 2. You must start with an acoustic guitar. Okay, but why? Acoustic guitars can be great, but electric guitars are often easier to learn on. Lighter strings, lower action, less hand pain. Start on whatever excites you the most. If plugging into an amp makes you feel like a rock star, just go for it. That spark is what keeps you practicing. Myth number 3. Bar chords should be easier after a few weeks. If you have ever tried a bar chord and ended up sounding like a broken printer, you are not alone. Bar chords are hard at first. Everyone struggles. It's not because you are bad, it's because it takes finger strength and coordination you have not built it yet. Break it down, try mini bars first and breathe. No one becomes a chord ninja overnight. And myth number 4, cheap guitars are useless. Not true, not even close. A budget guitar that stays in tune and feels good is all you want to start. Sure, a high-end guitar might sound a little better, but it won't magically make you a better player. That part, that's still on you. And it's time for myth number 5. You need to learn theory before you can play songs. Music theory is awesome, but you don't need to know every scale and chord formula before playing your first song. Seriously, most songs are built on 3 or 4 basic chords. Play now, learn the why later, it will all click over time. And there's also a silly myth in the air. Using a capo is cheating. Wait, what? Capos are tools and tools are smart. If Ed Sheeran uses one, I think you are allowed it too. And the last myth, myth number 6, if you can't play fast, you are not good. Speed doesn't make you a great guitarist. Feel does. Some of the most emotional solos in the history are slow and soulful, not a rest. Start slow, be clean, be expressive. Speed will come when it is ready. You don't need to sound like a hummingbird to be impressive. Bonus myth, if you play Stairway to Heaven in a guitar store, you'll get kicked out. Not true, but will everyone roll their eyes? Maybe. Play it anyway, just make it sound good. And at last, the internet is full of guitar advice. Some of it is helpful, some of it is just plain bananas. The truth, you don't need perfect fingers, expressive gears, or super speed. You just need consistency, curiosity, and the confidence to laugh at weird stuff along the way. So, if you have ever heard any of these myths, and maybe even believed a few, don't worry, you are not alone. Drop the funniest or the weirdest guitar myth you have ever heard in the comments and smash that like and subscribe button if you are new on this channel and turn on the notification bell to never miss a video. Thanks for watching.